In this example, we'll be using Amazon Web Services to demonstrate the resource pooling characteristic of the cloud. On the screen in front of you, you will see a management console. This management console is provided by Amazon for its users to accomplish simple tasks that one might want to do when using Amazon Web Services. The first thing I'm going to do is select AMIs from the list on the left-hand side. An AMI is an Amazon machine image. This is essentially a template of a server. There are quite a few templates, so what I'm going to do is limit to the operating system Ubuntu. I'm going to limit even further by choosing one of the canonical supplied Amazon machine images. I'm going to select a particular image from the list and then go up to the top and choose Launch. This will bring up the resulting Request Instances wizard, where I have a number of options in order to configure my Amazon machine image. I can choose from instance type, availability zone, and the number of instances. Once I'm finished, I click Continue. On the next screen, you'll see that I have a number of other options. One of them is monitoring. Amazon provides a service known as CloudWatch to its users. This allows you access to information about input and output from the server. We'll be discussing this service a little bit more later. On the next screen, I'm given the option to connect using a particular key pair. Rather than using usernames and passwords to log in, Amazon requires its users to use key pairs. After selecting my key pair, I'm given the option to choose a security group, which lets me open up particular ports on my server. I'm then going to click Launch, and the resulting screen will let me know that my instance is now launching. I'm going to close this box and then go over to Instances to see my currently running instances. You'll notice that the instance we just set up is currently set to pending. In a second, it will switch over from pending to running. Now that my server is ready, I can select it and then go up to Instance Actions and choose Connect. A new box will open up giving me an SSH command that I can copy and paste into my terminal window. I like to do this since the public DNS Amazon provides is quite long. I'm now going to close the box and open up my new terminal window. The first thing I'll do is move to the root directory, since this is where I keep the PEM file for my key pair. I'll paste in the SSH command and then make one slight alteration, since Canonical's AMIs require you to connect using the Ubuntu user rather than the root user. Once I connect to the server, I'm able to list the directory I'm in as well as the files within that directory. These are all commands that I would be able to do on any server. And there you have it. In less than 3 minutes, I was able to create a new server using Amazon Web Services.